And Rollercoin are back with yet another progression event, and this time it's called The Cake is a Lie. Stay tuned to find out more. That's really awesome when Rollercoin release these progression events because you can really get some significant mining power and bonus power in your room to get more crypto even faster. On my screen we can see the Cake is a Lie progression event. So as usual, like I always like to do, I'm going to go in more details and review this progression event. So it's got 7 days, 6 hours and 37 minutes remaining until the end of the event. This event has just started last night, I believe, so there's a whole week for you to be able to get all of the rewards. The most powerful miner in the list and the last miner in the whole entire list would be the Cube at 765 terahash per second. As usual, to get to a higher difficulty level in a game, once you've completed each difficulty level in a game, you'll get 500 points. If you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, you'll get 1000 points. And if you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that's 400 points. So these are pretty typical. Now, as usual, like I always like to do, I'm going to bring up the list of rewards with the total mining power and the total bonus power that you can earn in this progression event. And you can also obtain the list from the Rollercoin Discord server as well under the general section in the pinned comments, and this is courtesy of Piero. Here we have the list right here. So you start off at level 1 with a battery, one battery for 500 EXP, not too hard to do. If you play 3 games, you'll be able to get that fairly easily. Then you go on with the season token, okay, and you just go through. Prizes are always increasing most of the time. I'd like to point out at level 5 that there are 3 batteries there, so you can actually get 3 batteries for 4,000 points. So effectively, if you level up to higher difficulties in a game for 8 times, so you have to do that 8 times, okay? So you can choose more than one game obviously to do that, then you'll achieve the 3 batteries that you can see here. Moving down the list, we can see that if you're still trying to achieve all of those season pass rewards, there is a 70 EXP here, and further down even 150 EXP event pass points right there, which are quite significant and will boost you along to get through the levels even faster. There are a couple of racks here at 5% and 6%, I believe further down as well. Swedish Miracle rack 8 at 6%, even further down there's a Neon rack 8 at 6% as well. So any miner that you place on these racks will give you 6% for each miner that you place on the rack, okay? You've got the Cube at level 30, which is the last and final miner that you can achieve in the list. So that is pretty awesome at 765 terahash with a 1% bonus as well. If we go further up to actually level 20 here, you've got the Fallout Finder 55, which actually provides you with 607 terahash and a 1.5% bonus. So that is quite good as well. And you don't need to get to the very end in order to get that. So that is quite significant right there as well. Remember, 1 week for you to be able to get all of these rewards, and there are a total of 30 levels. The total amount of mining power that you'll get in this progression event is almost 3.7 petahash per second with 9.5% mining power bonuses, okay? This doesn't include the rack bonuses, so you've got 9.5% with the miners that you'll actually achieve from this event. Now, obviously, if you've already got the miners, you won't get those bonuses, but you can always merge them as well to get even more bonus points and even more mining power. So that's pretty much it. This is the Cake is a Lie progression event on Rollercoin running for the next week. So be sure to do your best to get all of those rewards. Check out my videos on how to play the games even faster, use multipliers more efficiently and effectively for you to be able to get the most out of the progression events as well. I hope that you did find this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.